Good morning and welcome back to the Mountain State. We're reporting live from 4848 here at Snowshoe Mountain in West Virginia. What a day it is. Excited to get on the hill. We've got 57 total trails here today, 1,500 feet of vertical. It's a very treacherous drive up to Snowshoe, West Virginia, but you get this remote feeling. It's unlike anywhere else that I've traveled to in the mid-Atlantic for skiing so far, so that's pretty awesome and unique. Something else that makes it unique is the resort's located on top of the mountain. There's nothing at the base except the lifts and a place called the Boathouse. Hotels, lodging, the bars, restaurants, which they do have here. It's kind of like a mini Colorado or Aspen kind of feel. It's nice because when you get there, you can get that first tracks and you actually just plop the skis down and just head right down. So that's awesome. 4848's the elevation here at Snowshoe, one of the taller points on the Appalachian Range. West Virginia, you know, used to be these very steep hills here. They used to be filled with loggers, but unfortunately now they're just filled with vloggers. So that's what it is. You know, we're not as hardworking as they once were, but a lot of the names, the run names here are named after, you know, certain positions like a ball hooter or stuff like that that have to do with mining and logging. And it's really a unique spot for today. Snowshoe Mountain. Excited to get on the hill. 4848 elevation, 1,500 feet of vertical, which is our highest of the season so far. And let's get ripping. Have a good one.
Y'all have fun.
First tracks, baby. Let's go. Snowshoe Mountain.
For the sky, don't let me down. Don't let me down.
Welcome to Cupp Run, folks. 45 miles an hour. That's what it's all about. Western Territory Snowshoe Mountain, the premier run in the Mid-Atlantic. Well, we're all wrapped up at Snowshoe Mountain here in the Mountain State, West Virginia. Had a good time overall. 4.3 is the shred score here at Snowshoe Mountain. Of course, the shred score does deal with just skiing. If you're a family listening, I wouldn't suggest making the treacherous drive from, in fact, nothing's even nearby. So tickets are steep in price. 1,500 feet of vertical, as stated earlier. Great runs, Cupp Run, Shay's Revenge, had a blast on them. I appreciate y'all tuning in. Even with heavy torrential rain downpour, the snow was still intact and still pretty decent. If you're gonna spend a week, maybe it's worth the treacherous drives. I'm not sure where I'm going next week, so it's gonna be a surprise. So see y'all next time.